whistle blow. If someone said I ever gave a damn, well, the damn sure told you wrong. 'Cause I've had rambling fever all along. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. There's times I'd like to bed down on the sofa and let some good-looking man rub my back. Spend the early morning drinking coffee and talking about when I'll be coming back. 'Cause I don't let no man tie me down, and I'll never get too old to get around. I'm gonna die along the highway and rot away like some old highline pole. Finally rest this rambling fever in my soul.